Alrighty, so everyone that's seen my automatic water feeder system knows that I was planning on building an automatic food feeder or something that can hold food a lot longer. So this is what I came up with. I got this tote here. Comes with a lid. I wanted to get that one that was locking so the lid would be a lot more secure and sealed. This doesn't have a gasket. I'm thinking about putting silicone here around this part, letting it completely dry, and then putting the lid on so it'll be a better seal there. But what I ended up getting was these things here. These things here, the way that these work is they install, you unscrew this part here, this collar, they install this way, and the bird sticks his head in here, pecks the food, and then this thing will go down as they need it. It comes with a hole saw, and it actually comes with 6 of these. We're just going to put 4, 1 here, here, and then all the way around on every side. We're going to use the big bucket, but looking at it, I think it's just overkill. This ought to probably work a lot better. And this is also, I think, what, 10 gallons. So 10 gallons of food that's a lot of food. So I'll show you after I install these. It's pretty simple. You just put this thing together. You put this in the drill. You find where you want the holes. In this case, we have quails, so we're gonna put them kind of low. If you got chickens, you might want them up here, but quails, you want them kind of low because, well, they're so pretty low to the ground. So I'll show you what that looks like after we get that put together. So here it is. We got them all installed. These are like little plates that, like block off plates. I think when you fill it, or maybe you just don't want to use one of them, you can just put that in there. Of course, you're gonna leave that out one there. We're gonna go fill it up, clean it out because we got little shavings all over, and we're gonna go fill it up and we'll see how good it works. Alright, so here it is. You can see we didn't fill it all the way up because I want to try it out first and see how it does with just that full. I keep their food actually in here and it stays completely dry. I have a lid. This is a food grade barrel, and then we can close that up. And I'm gonna pull the plugs here and we're gonna see how good it works. Let's pull all of these out. So there it is. I ended up putting some food here and here so they can kind of see, like, hey, there's food in there, let me eat that. You can see here too, all the way around.
Turn the mister on again.
So yeah, this has, if we fill it all the way up, 10 gallons of food should be a lot. This is a 25 gallon barrel, so that thing holds 2 bags of food, so that's at least a bag and a half of food in there. So that should last them for a good amount of time. And the water system's still working good. Oh, he was using it, not no more. Got the misters going in here now because it's hot.
100 degrees.
They're just hanging out in the water. You can see they're using it, so it's working. They actually found it quite quickly. This guy's waiting his turn, like, hey man, get out of the way, let me in there, I need to eat too.